Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good shepherd pie with cheese on top with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Delicious. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made this. Okay, with this we're going to turn this on. We're going to crush this up. Use onion powder. Some seasoned salt. Very well. Seasoned salt goes good with hamburger. Okay, we're going to add in our mushrooms. Diced up mushrooms here. And we're just going to grind this thing here to it. Next we're going to add in some carrots. Okay, next we're going to put in some corn. Okay, you want a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. A couple sprinkles. Okay, I'm going to add a half a stick of butter into that. And I'm going to turn on my Worcestershire. Okay, that's what we're looking for right there. That right there is what we're looking for. We're going to add in our mashed potatoes on the top of this. Add this over the top of this. We want to add just a little bit of cheese over the top of this. And you just want to take a little bit of Parmesan cheese and you want to grate it. Okay, take a look at that shepherd's pie. I just now pulled this out of the oven. I'm going to set it and cool before I cut into it because it's hot right now. But look how beautiful that is. Okay, now we got to do is a taste test on this. We're going to start with this piece right here. It's a little hot, so I got to be careful. I don't know how hot it is. Oh my God. Very hot, but very delicious. Anyways, I want to appreciate y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you do subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my video. And y'all have a wonderful day.